At the beginning of this year, Bill Gates gave an interview to Bloomberg Technology. He says, "I do think people get brought into these manias who may not have as much money to spare, so I'm not bullish on Bitcoin." Bill Gates is one of the richest world's person with net worth more than $130 billion. He created the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which helps the world's poor. Also, Gates created venture fund Breakthrough Energy. He and his funds never invest in cryptocurrency. He thinks Bitcoin is not reliable as an investment, and that's why. Firstly, Bitcoin as well as other altcoin can be very volatile due to the random things. Elon Musk's tweet, Joe Biden's tweet, other startups' tweet, and thousands other causes. The investments that can change by 30 to 50% from a random tweet is the unreliable investment. Secondly, the cryptocurrency has no regulation. Gates says, Bitcoin happens to promote anonymous transactions. They are not reversible transactions. This fact increases the risk of fraud, but the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation actually does a lot in terms of digital currency, but only when you can see who is making that transaction. Besides, Bill Gates believes that the hype around cryptocurrency in general and Bitcoin in particular is nothing more than mania. A certified financial planner and president of Bonafide Wealth, Douglas Bonaparte, told CNBC that the cryptocurrency bubble may burst at any moment. Be very careful about how much you allocate and understanding what you can tolerate. He warns, if 80% of your net worth is tied to Bitcoin and it goes down 30%, that's rough. Also, Bill Gates spoke out about Elon Musk. Musk has tons of money and he's very sophisticated, and randomly Bitcoin currency change don't destroy him. If you have less money than Elon, you should probably watch out. Elon Musk is the world's richest person with a net worth $264 billion, but his tweets about Bitcoin and altcoins like Dogecoin makes him an example of why Gates turned off by everyday Bitcoin use. Since most people have less wealth than Musk, ordinary investors should follow Gates' advice and be wary of investing heavily in cryptocurrency. In other words, when you face the real financial consequences of these investments, and if your Bitcoin investments are unsuccessful, you will probably be disappointed to lose most of your money. As we can see, Douglas Bonaparte, a certified financial planner, and Bill Gates, the fourth person in the Forbes list, expressed concerns about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. But how those concerns are real? It's no secret that digital money is ridiculously volatile. This year, the gap between the lowest and the highest Bitcoin price was more than 150%. But high volatility means you can buy currency cheaper and sell it higher. It's a great option to the people who want to make money. But that's not the point. As long-term investment, Bitcoin is absurd. Due to the highest volatility, no regulation, difficulty in buying, unpredictability, and fraud risks, Bitcoin is an affordable luxury for investment for an average American. Also, we don't know when the crypto bubble will burst and does it exist at all. The hype around digital coins in the last 5-6 years and explosive growth prices allow suspect an overprice and suppose mournful future for them. An investment in Bitcoin could potentially pay off if the timing is right or if there is a major shift and Bitcoin becomes a viable real currency as more companies start to adopt it. But there is also a huge risk associated with any crypto investment because the market is unregulated and there is great uncertainty about the future of virtual currencies. Moreover, we don't know how the price will change when the government begins the regulation. One of the features of Bitcoin is anonymity. Yes, you can trace any coin because they contain and remember any transaction, but you will only know the wallet ID, not the person. So if Washington were to impose compulsory registration with the IRS, it might bring down the price. You don't have to take advice from Bill Gates or expert commentary on Bitcoin. If you do your research and decide that you are confident in your investments, you can safely start investing in cryptocurrency. Just be aware of the excessive risk and don't invest so much that you put your financial security on the line. By the way, be sure to watch other videos about cryptocurrency on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.